Hello everybody. Today I have a very simple recipe for you and quick. Well, you need to cut the vegetables, but it's quick. It's barbecue beef, chicken, and veggies. Cleaning out my fridge. First of all, I'm gonna fry the steak that I had in the refrigerator. A Cuban style steak. Fry it and we're gonna put it to the side. Just gonna take the onions and we're gonna take a breast of chicken, cut it up in cubes, and then we're gonna add salt. That's regular salt, pepper, black pepper. This is all to your taste, to your liking. Garlic powder, and just mix it all together. I have 3 peppers, red, orange, and yellow. Cut them in half and then dice them. A zucchini. You just that's only to make it pretty. If you don't like the peel, you don't need to leave it on. Cut it in 4. And a red onion. I'm going to use half of the onion. Okay, and also we're going to cut it in chunks. And garlic, 2 garlic cloves. Okay, I'm going to just smash them a little bit and cut them. Okay, cilantro. Our cilantro here, I washed it really good and I'm gonna chop it. It doesn't have to be perfectly chopped. Now we get the pan back and I'm gonna cut the steaks in small pieces, like bite size. Now a can of chunk pineapple. We're only gonna use the pineapple, not the juice, so drain that juice out. I'm gonna put all the chicken in there so it just browns. We're gonna wait a few minutes and then we're gonna turn them. Okay, they're not cooked yet, but they're gonna be cooked. Put the vegetables in. Add all those veggies in there. And the red onion or the purple onion. The pineapple. The cilantro. Very important. And the steak. That's a Cuban style steak. I made a video about making the Cuban style steak, so don't miss it. Okay, we're gonna squeeze half of a lemon. So lemon juice. And barbecue sauce. I'm using this hickory barbecue sauce. And just mix it all together, and isn't that beautiful? Delicious. Just cover and cook for a little bit, just so the chicken is well cooked. Okay, and that is it. Whatever you have in the fridge, you can just drop it in there and cook it. Until the next time, may God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.